Guys, our topic is playing with numbers. Exercise 3.3, fourth main is using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. To find the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places from the right and the sum of the digits at even places from the right of the numbers if the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. First A question is 5445 they given. In this, first we have to put plus. Second number we have to write minus. Third number we have to put plus. Fourth number we have to write minus. This is odd numbers. This is first number, third number. This is called odd numbers. Odd numbers we should add and keep. 5 plus 4 is 9. Then even numbers. This is second place. This is fourth place. So even numbers we should add. Minus 4 and minus 5 is minus 9. Plus 9 and minus 9 get cancelled. The result will be 0. If it is in result place 0 or divisible by 11, then this whole number will divisible by 11. B question is 10,824 will divide by 11th table or will not divide by 11th table. We have to check in the shortcut method. That is, first number is plus 1, next number minus 0, next number plus 8, next number minus 2, next number plus 4 we have to write. Because odd number all we have to add once. So 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. Then minus 0, minus 2. When we add this both, we will get minus 2. Plus 13 minus 2 is plus 11. 11 will divide by 11th table one time. That's why this whole number will divide by 11th table. C question is 71,38,965 will divide by 11th table or will not divide by 11th table. We will check now. First number as plus, second number minus 1, third number plus 3, fourth number minus 8, fifth one plus, sixth one minus, next number is plus. Now we have to add all the plus number. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 9 is 19, 19 plus 5 is 24 as plus. Plus we no need to write also as plus only. We have to add all the minus. So minus 1, minus 8 is minus 9, minus 9 plus minus 6 is minus 15. Now 24 minus 15 is plus 9. So plus 9 means it will not be divided by 11 because this resulting place 0, otherwise divisible by 11 we have to get, but 9 will not divide by 11th table. Therefore this number, that is 71,38,965 will not divide by 11. Fourth main, D, E, F, do it for your practice. Fifth question is, write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed by is divisible by 3. What is the rule of divisible by 3? If the sum of the digit is multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Here they given dash 6724. In this, which number is smallest digit is divisible by 3 and which number is greatest digit divisible by 3 we have to find. For that, we have to add all the numbers. That is 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. So, which number will add with 19? It will be multiple of 3 or divisible by 3 we have to find. So, we have to add along with 19 2 because 19 plus 2 is 21. 21 is 7 3s are 21. So, this is the smallest number we can add with this number. So, I will add this 2 is here. This is the smallest number, that is 26,724 is the smallest digit. It will divide by third table. Now, we have to find the greatest digit. Actually, from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The greatest number means first we have to try in 9. So, 9 plus 9 is 18, carry 1, it will become 28. 28 will not divide by third table or it is not in the third table. So, 9 will not be suitable in this place. 10, 8 will try now. 9 plus 8 is 17, remaining 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, 27 we got. 27 can divide by third table. 3 9s are 27. So, 8 is the greatest number in this place. So, we can write 86,724 is the greatest digit, can divide by third table. Fifth main B question, try at home. Sixth question is, write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. First question, 92 dash 389 they have given. The rule is, first number is plus, next number is minus, like that we have to write. So, then plus some number we have to write, then minus 3 plus 8 minus 9. So, we will add all the odd numbers. 9 plus some number plus 8. So, here 9 plus 8 is 17, positive 17. Then negative number all will add now. 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, minus 14. So, here it has to be cancelled in this place or divide by 11th table. So, that here it will not be cancelled because we are going to add with this 17 some number. So, that it will not be cancelled, but it can be divided by 11th table. So, along with 17 some number we have to add, then we have to minus 14, then we have to get 11 or 22 like that numbers. So, we will add along with this 8 because 8 plus 7 is 15, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Then we will do minus 14 means 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, our answer will be 11. Therefore, in this fill up, we have to write it 8. Sixth main B question is your homework sum, try it.